Hello, my name is Paul Siegel. I'm president of Candlecharts.com, and today I'm going to give you a tour of what it would be like if you were a member of our membership site at Mycandlecharts.com. So what you see on your screen right now is the homepage of My Candle Charts as if you were already logged in as a member. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a quick tour of all of the different features and components of being a member and what you have access to. And therefore, we hope everyone here becomes a member at mycandlecharts.com. Over here on the left-hand side, you see a listing of blue buttons, starting with Casual Trader, Chart Challenge, and moving the way down. You'll also see a listing of blue buttons off to the right. Let's try not to confuse you here. The sessions here on the left, all of these blue buttons here on the left side, are sessions that are updated on a regular basis. Those blue boxes, which I will get to in a little bit, those blue boxes on the right, those are sessions or items or components of the site that really don't change that often. And I'll get into each one specifically. So here we go. Without further ado, let's start with the top button here on the top left panel of the site. If you click on Casual Trader is a video that we post every Sunday. This is really a video for people that don't have time to watch the markets live as they're happening during the week. This is a session, again, posted on Sunday, available for you the entire week and beyond to help you prepare for the upcoming week in trading. If I were to click on this video, you'll be able to watch the session that we posted. If you scroll down a little bit lower, you'll be able to see videos from prior weeks. Let's move on to the Chart Challenge. Chart Challenge is a video that we post each Wednesday. This is a video, again, if you hit that play button, you'll be able to play it and you'd be able to watch this week's Chart Challenge. Again, if you scroll down below, you'll see prior chart challenges. This is a great way to ensure that you are understanding candles. And again, this is a very favorite item amongst our members. Chart of the Day. This is a Chart of the Day video we post each morning by 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Everything that when I talk about time will be Eastern Time, which is the same thing as New York time. We needed to pick one, and because Steve does live on the East Coast of the United States, we just chose Eastern Time to make things consistent. This is a Chart of the Day. It's an educational piece. It's going to go over various candle patterns, Western technicals, how to combine them. This is not a trade that we're actually doing, but it is more of a educational video that we update each and every Monday through Friday. If you scroll below the video, you'll see Chart of the Day for prior dates. Moving on to Daily Market Recap. This is a live session that we hold every day, Monday through Friday, inside of our chart room, and I'll get more into the chart room in a little bit. These here are the recordings of prior dates. So you'll see the dates listed for the recap for prior dates. This video here will be the most up-to-date daily market recap that we have. So we hold them live, so you could certainly attend them live. But as we know, we have members in 85 different countries. Because of that, there's not one time of the day that would be great for everyone. Therefore, we have more people watch the recordings than actually attend live. But again, the daily market recap is going to go over the major markets. Nothing specific, no individual stocks, more about indices, some of the major components of the overall markets, whether they be an index like the S&P 500 or gold or crude or major currency pairs, things of that nature. Again, live in our chart room every day, Monday through Friday, and recorded and posted here shortly after. Our Forex Focus, we do this every Tuesday. This is a session that's done live in the chart room and then recorded and posted here specifically for our Forex traders, which we will go in depth into various Forex pairs, both the majors and the exotics, and will certainly help you understand what is going on in the different Forex pairs. Now remember, the major Forex pairs are covered every day in the daily market recap, but if you're a Forex only trader, you would also want to watch the Forex Focus every Tuesday live and again posted and recorded. Our international recap, same thing. This is a video that we post every week, typically on Thursday mornings. and this is going to cover major international indices. Our Options Outlook is a live session we do every single Wednesday inside of the chart room. We post it, we record it and post it shortly after the live session is done. This is a great opportunity for options students to either learn options from the beginning or continue to watch the markets with option strategies in mind. Our strategy session is done twice a week, every Monday and every Thursday. This is where members get to request a market instrument of their choice to be analyzed by our team. Again, sessions are done live every Monday and every Thursday, and the recordings are posted here. So you can request your market to be analyzed. When I say market, I'm talking about a stock, an ETF, an index, a Forex pair, Bitcoin, a future, commodity, many different items. You can request that by replying to the email that we send out to our members. Even if you cannot attend live, not a problem. You just come back in here and watch the recording. Whenever we do record a session, we post that recorded video within minutes of that session being completed. So again, strategy session every Monday and Thursday. Our trade setup of the day video, we do this every Monday through Friday. Posting of the video is done by 8 a.m. Eastern Time. And this is a trade that we're either doing that day or at minimum considering that day. We'll talk about the implications, where your potential entry points are and your exit points, why, the reasons why you would actually enter or exit. And sometimes these trades just don't happen because the markets don't move the way we were hoping for them to. But we're going to provide you with those insights every day, Monday through Friday. And again, this is one of the most common things that people do is watch that video each morning, keep an eye on it during the day to see if it happens. Our weekly market recap. This is done every Friday or Saturday. We post the videos and we cover pretty much the same markets that we cover in our daily market recap, but the weekly market recap is going to give you a little bit longer term view. We might look at daily and weekly and monthly charts in our weekly market recap, getting longer term views of the markets. Again, because it's done Friday or Saturday, we're trying to give a big picture or a big overview going into the next week. So again, all of those sessions there and those blue boxes on the left are things that happen and on a regular schedule. Let's take a look at the items now on the right. We have a blog that we post probably about one time a month, just some things to think about and how to take advantage of various tools that we have inside. Our discussion group is our Traders Network, and I will be coming back to that in a little bit, but that is our forum where you can post questions, charts, comments. You can post comments and questions in response to other members, and we will be doing live interactive sessions with our members based on things that we post. So think about it kind of like a book club where we might post a chart and then we'll have a live session where we actually discuss that chart, and you'll have the opportunity to turn on your mic and actually speak with other members and our team here at Mycandlecharts. So that's our Traders Network, and I'll show you that in a little example. Our Kaizen Apprenticeship, this is our Kaizen On Demand program, as you can see up here in the middle of the screen, but also listed under our Kaizen Apprenticeship. This is an additional program. It's not included with your membership at Mycandlecharts, but you can certainly add it on. This is an intensive 7-part series of education in which you would be going through a very high level of training, and we can provide you a link if you want to see more information about that. Our special topics, I'm going to click on that now, and you'll notice that we have 2 different items, our recent special topics and our full list of special topics. Let me just click on full list of special topics right now. These are all sessions that we typically sell by themselves as a item that you can watch inside of our other site at Candlecharts Academy. However, if you are an annual member and a lifetime member or a Kaizen On Demand member, you would have access to all of these different special topics. Now, these special topics are all about 1 hour in length, some of them a little bit shorter, some of them a little bit longer, but they all have specific items. That's why they're called special topics, where we're going to talk about things like how to do a credit spread, debit spread, how to do intraday options, how to use support and resistance, which is critical, exit strategies, which I would imagine most people need improving on, how to trade in volatile markets, how to combine the Eastern and the Western of what Steve has taught for years. I'm just going over some of my favorites. Multiple time frames, how to utilize multiple time frame charts, how to trade specifically intraday. This session on Nison trading principles is Steve's trading rules. Sessions on how to profit and protect in a down market. Session on using pivot trading. Use another session on moving averages. Those are our full list of special topic sessions. Please note again, to have access to that, you would need to be an annual, a lifetime, or a Kaizen member to have access to that. Our monthly members would have access to our recent special topic, which you would have access to the most recent special topic session that we put out there. Let's show resources, our calendar, and our we recommend section for other resources that we'd like to add on. All members have access to the bonus section, which includes an intro video from Steve, information on our bullish, bearish, and neutral candle patterns, a glossary of Western terms. We have a bonus ebook and a video for all of our members, and our options bootcamp. If you want to get going into options, our options 3-part series on our options bootcamp will get you going quickly. Please note though, options bootcamp is only available again to our annual, our lifetime, and our Kaizen members. Okay, so let's go back into Traders Network. Right here, if you click on Traders Network, you'll see where all of our postings are, the number of views and replies and things of that nature. And if you just click on one, let's just pick on one of these. Somebody posts a chart with a question. Brian, who's one of our Nison certified trainers, came in and did a very good, thorough response. And remember, just thanking Brian back. That is just one example of a forum thread. Now, in the middle of the screen inside of mycandlecharts.com is a chart. This is not our Nison candle scanning software. This is just a chart where you can go in and take a look. You can change the symbol. I'm just going to, for example, type in Tesla, and you get a chart of Tesla. Now, why do we do this here? Because we are charters. We are traders, and we want to have access to charts. So as you're going through any of these live sessions, whether they're live or you're watching the videos, things of that nature, we want you to be able to pull up a chart of that, take a look, and be able to examine it as well. I hope you enjoyed that quick tour of all of the features that you would get if you're a member of Mycandlecharts. If you look just below this video, you'll see a button on how you too can become a member of Mycandlecharts.com. We look forward to it. And as we always say inside of Mycandlecharts, never trade alone. Our team of Steve Nison, our 2 Nison certified trainers of Brian and Sil, and myself, Paul, are all here to assist you with our daily ongoing guidance in the markets. We do hope that you are become a member and join our team. Have a great day.